In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can write your product titles and product descriptions for your digital product listings. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Tisha and I teach you how to create and sell digital products using online tools. Now this video is part 3 of a 4-part Etsy video series where I'm showing you how you can get started selling your digital products on Etsy. I will leave that link to that series down below in the description box. Now the tool that we're going to use today is one of my go-to tools, and that is ChatGPT. ChatGPT makes this process super easy, and not only am I going to show you how to write your product listings and product titles, I'm going to show you how you can find your Etsy keywords to help us write our product titles and product descriptions. So if you're ready to go, let's go ahead and jump into my computer screen so we can get started. Okay friends, here we are on the ChatGPT website. Just for transparency purposes, I am using the pro version of ChatGPT, but you can do this with a free account. So the first step is to give ChatGPT a little bit about your Etsy shop, your digital products, and the type of buyer that you are looking for. Now I've already written out my prompts, so I'm just going to be copying and pasting, and I will leave these prompts in the description box for you guys. So my first prompt is, I will prompt you to write an Etsy title and product description for my digital product listings. I create Instagram social media templates for small business owners, coaches, and content creators that they can easily edit and customize using Canva. Next, we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a list of keywords. And the prompt says, give me a list of the top search Etsy keywords for Instagram templates. And it's going to provide you with a list of keywords that you can use to help optimize your product titles and product descriptions. Now you can set these keywords and do more keyword research in a tool like eRank, but for right now, we can just use this list. Okay, now that we have our keywords, the next step is to actually create our title. And we're going to use the prompt, based on the keywords provided, write a keyword optimized Etsy listing for my Instagram templates. Do not repeat keywords and separate long tail keywords with commas. So it's giving me the title that says edible Instagram posts and story templates for Canva, social media templates for small business, minimalist Instagram feed, branding kit, and coaches and content creators. Now this is what it gave me. You can adjust this and tweak this how you want. Okay, you may have more than one listing where you sell the Instagram templates. You can ask ChatGPT to give you additional titles for those listings. So we're going to use the prompt, I have several Instagram template listings, provide additional listing titles. And it's going to generate a few more titles that you can use to probably do testing with or use for other listings. Next, we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a few features and benefits that we can include in our product description. So this is very helpful with writing out your product descriptions. So let's go ahead and put in that prompt. And we're just going to ask ChatGPT, what are some features and benefits I can include in my product description? It's going to break it down by features and benefits, and you can choose to use these in your product descriptions, and also you can use this information in your product listing photos. Okay, we have our keywords, we have our features and benefits. Now we can generate a product description. So the prompt that we want to use, write an optimized product description using the keywords provided. Write a hook that emotionally connects with the buyer and include the following details. Now, the details that you want to include are any details about your digital product that you want included in your product description. This can include what's included, like what they will receive when they purchase the product, your shop policies regarding like returns, that is a digital product, and also information regarding licenses. Then we're going to go ahead and hit enter. And it's giving me a product description that has a nice little hook that can hook the buyers. It's giving a little intro in what the customer is going to receive. It lets them know what's included, why you love it. So it's giving, I actually like that better than it's just listing out the features and also giving them the important details as far as letting them know that it's a digital product, the license agreement, and the return policy. Okay friends, so ChatGPT made it super easy for us to generate a list of keywords. We have a list of product titles that we can choose from. We also have a list of features and benefits that we can include in our product descriptions and in our copy, and also our photo listings. And we were able to create a product description. Okay friends, so if you thought that was super easy, let me know by hitting the like button. And keep in mind that this is just the starting part. This is not the end all be all. You can tweak your product descriptions and product titles as you grow your Etsy digital product business, so you can find out what product titles and description format works best for you. Don't forget to grab the free Etsy checklist down below in the description box. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.